So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how you are going to make a deposit of USDT on Bybit. If you are new to the channel, do make sure to like and subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new video like this. Let's get started. So once you've submitted your KYC and you have verified your account, this is how the interface will look like. So all you have to do is just tap on the P2P trading icon. So we have two sections. We have the buy and sell option. So we are going to buy USDT in this case. So the good thing about Bybit, you can even buy dollar of even 500 naira. So if you want to make a purchase, depending on the amount that you want to buy, let's say you want to buy USDT worth of 5,000 naira, you can filter it out and just tap on confirm. If you want to buy, let's say 2,000 naira, which should be like $2, let me write 2,000 naira. As you can see, this merchant is selling from 2,000 naira to 1 million, 2,000 to 1 million. So in this case, for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to buy like $1 to demonstrate how to make the transfer and deposit. One thing that you have to put into consideration is that whenever you are trying to make a purchase, make sure you make the purchase with a trusted merchant. What I mean by a trusted merchant is the person that his completion rate is above 90%, at least 90% above. So in this case, as you can see, this person is 99%, this person is 78%. I won't recommend this guy because his completion rate isn't above 90%. As you can see, this one is 98, this one is 94, 98. So what this completion rate means is that the merchant is very swift and fast with the transaction. You're not going to waste any time, and you can also see whether the merchant is online or not with this icon. As you can see, the green icon signifies the merchant is online. This person is not online 7 minutes ago. So I'm satisfied with this merchant, and as you can see, he has made over 570 trade. So let me just tap on buy now. So in this case, I'm just going to buy dollar of 1,200 naira. As you can see, I'm going to receive $1.06. So all I have to do is just tap on buy. So I have 14 minutes to make the transfer to the merchant now. All I have to do now is you just tap on pay now. Then I'll be required to make the transfer to the merchant. So it's pretty straightforward. If I want to make the transfer, the name of the merchant and the account number will be generated. So all I have to do now is just copy the account number and make the transfer. Make sure if you are making the transfer, the name on your Bybit should correspond with the name of your bank. Don't make third-party transfer. So I've now made the transfer. All I have to do now is just tap on payments completed. To avoid, just tap on confirm. Make sure you have made the transfer before you confirm it. The merchant has 10 minutes to verify whether I've actually sent him the money. All you have to do now is just exercise patience till the merchant receives your transfer. So as you can see, it's only been like 2 minutes, and as you can see, the transaction has now been completed. So that's why I told you guys to make sure if you are buying from a merchant, make sure the completion rate is above 90% and you won't face any issue. And that's pretty much it. If you don't have a Bybit account, do make sure to register an account with my partnership link in the description of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe.